Today is we're taking this and then we tarmacking the road. We're gonna get on the road in a minute and get going. It's a bit tricky this, you know. Hands on this and get out of here as quick as we can. Alright, this is the last thing on, this is a digger. Last one. Alright, let's reverse the truck in now. Alright guys, today we're doing a little bit different something. So we're doing low loaders and the truck is just waiting for us there. Better get my stuff together and then go and get sorted, so let's do that. So that's what we're driving today. We're driving a low loader with a lot of stuff in the back, so you better get ready for this. So yeah. Love you.
Love you, bye.
Bye. So this is what we're driving today. Darren gave me the chance to drive one today. Bye. This is been strapped down, it's been chained up. So what we're actually doing today is we're taking this and then we're tarmacking the road. Actually, I'm not doing it, I'm just driving the truck. So you got the big tarmac stuff there being chained up, this little digger kind of stuff. So let's go and make the driving now. Let's see who we're going with. All right, all the stuff has been mounted on it. Just double checking kind of stuff to be there. All the tires are good. Check the one on the back as well, the threads as well. Darren be looking after these wagons like. All the stuff have been chained off, so I'm just making sure everything works fine. Let me just put it down to 2. All right, we got a lot to do. We got to be there by 6. So it is 8 minutes past 4. We got most of the stuff on. I checked the lights before, but I'm just double checking everything before I get out of here. Stuff that actually needs strapping, been strapped down with the chains. And this looks quite unique. This don't know what it's for, but when I get there, I'm gonna get on the road in a minute and get going. So this is gonna be an exciting video. This is my first low loader work as well. Let's get out of here. Alright guys, we have arrived now, and as you can see there is the JPL. So if you haven't yet, go on Instagram, TikTok, it's called JPL Transport. Go and follow them right now. But this is the side that we have to go and drop all the stuff. So my partner, or the person that's driving with me, doesn't want to be recorded, so we're going to try as hard as we can not to put him in the video. But he said not to, so we're doing that. What we're gonna do is just wait out until one of these guys come out and like come and get us, but it's nothing else that we can do. Let's go and have a look at this. We're coming around the roundabout and just put the beacons on, and then like you got this one's down here and that one there, and like Darren said, this has got some bull bars. Gotta wait for this place to be open now. It's not open, they're just putting the cones down, but we gotta wait still. So we're waiting for the phone call so we can drive through and get in there. We're in the 60 junction 20 right now. Hopefully we get there quick. So obviously that's gonna go down first. This is the one to tarmac the ground, and we got the digger there. The plan now is when we go past the barrier, pull the things down. They're gonna do that, and the person I'm out with is gonna deal with all of them. So all I'm gonna do is just stand. I'm basically just standing and then seeing what he's doing. He's just going to check the stuff there now. To be honest, this is a really interesting job, moving the stuff about. It's not that easy to drive on the road. So another thing that I found out the wagon has got is this. It's to basically hook stuff on and then pull them into the flatbed, not the flatbed, to the low loader. A handy thing to have when you're transporting, example like bacon, it can be moved. So you can load it up into the back of this low loader with this. If you know the name of this, please tell us in the comments. This is my first time doing low loader work. As I said before, it's been a different experience, and I've never been packed in a high shoulder other than been broken down or anything like that. So what did he say, that we're just moving on like in 5 minutes then?
We're gonna go onto the motorway.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Yeah. So we're just not gonna carry on. Okay, I see what you mean. All right, we just moved forward as well. I should have recorded coming down, but I couldn't. In the motorway now, I think we're moving further forward. We're dropping all the stuff here. Honestly, this is one of the most exciting jobs I have done so far. Really like this kind of jobs. I think if I could get into it, I would. All right, we've been moving forward now in a second as well. So we gotta get on the other side of all this equipment. This is why it takes so long to build a motorway, because it's too much moving around, too many things putting together, the logistic behind there, the people that they know the work, the people that are learning as well, the trucks coming in. It's just a nightmare to do jobs like this. All right, we're moving now. Basically gonna carry on forward. It's a bit tricky this, you know. So he said to go very slow. He said to go very slow in here. So what am I gonna do here? The cuts in the ground here. I'm just gonna move forward. So I'm gonna have to go into 2 sets of barriers, but I gotta go really slow. Like, I emphasize on that because I have to go very slow. Honestly, so much responsibility when it comes to like moving and stuff like this. That is what they used to dig out the ground, innit? Stay behind the workers. Don't know if we're going past the lorry, so I just wait for them to go past it. If we gotta go past it, that's gonna be my signal to just carry on going. So yeah, that is. All right, that did take a while, that. We have to be like really close to the thing. So let me just see what's going on. You want the light on? So because I think I said this before, because we are parked here, but we in the motorway and I only have this one, I'm not allowed to get off the vehicle because this is highway. In the motorway, people doing 70 miles an hour, if not even faster there. I can't get out, I wish I could, but after this we're gonna drive somewhere else, and then we have to drop this, so and then I'd be able to film what actually is going on. But right now, I wish I could get out and show you how they do this. It's quite exciting. All right, that's the whole all the equipment off, so we just gotta wait for them to finish with this. So it's been around 2.5 hours or something like that, something around the length, but it's just been a long way, but we're nearly getting there. So we're gonna make our way, I think it's to Preston or Lancashire. I think it's Lancashire somewhere, or Lancaster. We're gonna make our way there. So I wish I could get out right now and show you how things are tied up and stuff, but won't be able to do it here. But on the next one where we stop now, I'm gonna be able to do it. So we get out, do a little bit of hard work and stuff like that. Let's get out of here.
We tight that, you know.
Why, you just leave the beacons on till we just out?
Yeah, just get out onto the road. Right, that's off.
All right, guys, we arrived now. We outside. We need to get some of the stuff off. It's gonna be noisy, so better like get hands on this and get out of here as quick as we can. Oh, better put my This is gonna be the noisy one. This is gonna be the one that's gonna make the most noise. But that one won't be too bad because that's gonna be a straight out, but still gonna be noisy. Wow, what an experience this is. chain's going there. So just put in the last chains in, and then we should be ready to rumble. Or ready to go, whatever you want to say. Alright, this is the last thing on. This is a digger. It's got a flat tire as well, and the gas, diesel and stuff. Last one. That's the last machine going down. I put this away now, so we actually have finished now. Walk around. So this is what a low loader is. You can get up to, I think, 3 cars, I think. And then you can get, as you see, 3 different machines in this. So definitely, yes, you can get a 3 cars, maybe 4. All right, it's been amazing. This is one of the best jobs I have done so far. And this, I still don't know what it's called. Lift them things and get out of here. Oh, very cool that. Right, we're good to go now. Let's get out of here. That's enjoyable, let's go.
Just a normal day.
That's a,
JPL.
I could get used to doing stuff like that. That's a good thing to do. All right, we have arrived now, and gonna open the door now. We're gonna reverse the truck into the yard. That's about it. The person that has been out with me, my colleague, is gonna do it, and all I gotta do is just get on the road. The missus is waiting. All right, let's reverse the truck in now. All right, that's us done and finished with everything now. All right, this is how small the world is. When I got stuck in a building sign years, well, like a year ago, that was the truck I was driving, exactly the same one. Look. So, XG61 DAF, that was exactly the same truck I drove, exactly the same. If my memory keeps me alive, it had like somebody crashed it before. Somebody crashed it before me, I remember. Before, well, not before me, before I had it, but looks mint. Yeah, exactly the same truck, now it's here. What's the odds? What is the odds on that? Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video today. It's been amazing, and thank you for the support as always, guys. Thank you.